Hey, it's Paul Bertzel here, and I am going to show you two ways that you could start making money today from this video. I'm going to show you two separate ways. The first way is going to be a way that you can be creative, a little bit of unlimited amounts of ways that you can find ways to make money online. Don't worry, they don't require you to sell anything or do technical stuff or build websites or get affiliate marketing going or advertising or chasing your friends and family or anything like that. These are easy ways you can be making money from your home. The first way, and then the second way, I will save the best for last, is the guaranteed way you can start making money today and join me in something that's been pretty incredible to my bank account this last year. Okay, so let's dive into things. The first company, and both the links for these opportunities, you can find them in the show notes in the description box below this video. You just click on those and go and do what I show you to do on the videos here today, on the video here today, and you'll be making money. Okay, so the first one is it's a freelancing site. It's called People Per Hour. And I just want to show you something here. You can head over there, obviously, after you watch the video, and stay till the end because I'm going to show you the best for last. Oh, and while we're at it, you may as well subscribe to the channel because I upload videos all the time showing you how to make money from home, working online, your laptop, your mobile device, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh, another thing, you might not know who I am. I've been making a professional living full-time in a variety of different ways, which you'll learn and see from these videos, since 1996. Okay, I've been doing it full-time that long. I know, I don't sound that old, do I? But I am pretty well experienced, and I can show you where to find the places that you can be making money. And I do this channel a little bit differently than most because I'm not going to show you and try to turn you into something that you're not. You can do that over time if you want to, but I know a lot of you guys are watching this video because you want to show you how to make money now. Okay, so I'm at this site called People Per Hour. And I'm going to show you where you can make the money here. Here's where the opportunity is because that's what I am, an opportunity guy. Okay, so we're searching for a skill. So let's pick a really easy, basic skill. Okay, data entry. This is how you make money at this site. Okay, so you sign up after the video, obviously. Click through my link, sign up at this place, and then you offer your services to people and companies and individuals and things like that that want things done online. Okay, so for instance, and some of these things may not be for you depending on what your vocal is, but you can find, and I'll show you just easy ways to do this. Okay, so for instance, you could provide 1 day of data collection or lead generation for $30. Okay, you can just scroll down these because there's over 1,000 different ones, but it gives you an idea how easy. Now, you'd have to sign up as a freelancer, obviously, up in the top right-hand corner there. You see that? You would just click that and create an account, put a profile up, and start watching the money come in. It will take you a little while. You want to set up a few different gigs, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the basics of that on this video before we get into the guaranteed way to make money. Now, this isn't guaranteed because obviously somebody has to hire you to do it, but you're a freelancer. Okay, you'd be doing your own thing. You could have 20 gigs, 50 gigs. I do some things on here, but it's mostly in the marketing area because that is my background. So you could punch in like likes. Here's another good one. Easy stuff I'm showing you. Obviously, I don't know your skill level. Everybody's watching this thing differently. But so for instance, this guy is generating 2,500 social signals and likes and tweets and things like that for $20. You could do that too, right? It's not hard. You just go around clicking things. You could do this on Instagram. You could do it on Facebook. You could do it on, and there's not that much competition out there, and you can charge whatever you want. Now, obviously, I suggest that you look at your competition out there. That would be, in this, for instance, likes. You could do all of these, and you just kind of look at the price. What are they charging to do Instagram likes? What are they charging to do YouTube likes and Pinterest likes and things like that? And then you just kind of rough your what you're going to charge around there. Here's another good easy one. Everybody can do a review. So manually, this person's offering, which then you would offer. Hopefully you're getting that. Manually review your Google business name listing. He'll charge $30. Okay, you can write a review on a resume. This guy's doing so. You could see that these opportunities are being offered by other people. That means that people are coming in and hiring them. and you get paid that money once you complete the task, whatever you have a gig for that you're going to put up there. Like I said, I do lots of things in here. I don't do data entry and stuff like that because I make a lot more money per hour than 10, 20, 30 bucks an hour. I'll show you how to do that in a minute if you're interested in that. You could write an article, you could write a review for 10 bucks. I mean, how long does it really take to write a review? 15 minutes, make 10 bucks, that's 40 bucks an hour. Do 4 of them, 10 of them a day, you make it 300-400 bucks. Not bad, right? And you can punch in any kind of search here, or another good way to do it before I move on to the guaranteed way to make money today instead of setting up this as your own little shop business online, but it's pretty cool to do, right? So you could just go through all of the different types. So go and create a freelancer account. Go look at all the different categories because they list them right here for you. There's the designing, social media, business, digital marketing, all these kind of things, video, or you could just do searches like I just showed you how to do. And you shouldn't have a problem making $100, $200, $300 a day, but it will take a little bit of effort, right? Because you got to get the customer to click on your ad in here and then hire you to do it. So, don't expect this is going to be no work and then you get paid. You got to put a little bit of effort into it. So I suggest probably, like from the gigs that I do, because I have a lot of experience, just try to narrow it down to 2-3 different places, the types of things and whatever your skill level is to do, and start posting ads in here, and maybe post an offer for each one of those about every 3 to 5 days, and within a couple weeks you're going to be making 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 bucks a day depending on your skill level and what you're charging. Obviously, the more value you offer and the more skill you have, the higher you can charge. Okay, so that's a way for you to make money pretty quickly, pretty easily online, if I don't say so myself. But here's the guaranteed way you can get paid every single Friday. Okay, my link to this opportunity is Cashflow Posse, and it's in the description links below. You want to make $30, $40, $50 an hour or more, you head over here. They pay every Friday by direct deposit or PayPal. You set up your own hours. You work for this Denver company. I've been with them now since December, so it's coming up to a year, not quite a year yet, but I want to show you something. So head over there after you're done watching my video here. Put in your name, your best email address, and then create an account, and then it will bring you into the Processors Hub. Okay, and you want to guarantee money, so I'm going to show you guaranteed money. I'm going to show you something before I just walk you through what this is all about first. As you can see, there's me, one of the top earners last month. But here's the cool part that you get to see. And remember, I'm not making sales. I'm not doing anything here. I made over $220,000. That's me right there. And not bad, right? But look at some of these people. Some of these people have made over $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 already with this company. I don't know how long they've been there, but they've been there longer than me probably, because I make a good 10,000 plus a month with this company. Okay, now what do you do here? Well, first off, you create that account like I said. You head over here, you watch this video, this orientation video, and then you just simply start following the steps. Okay, and all you're doing here, this is an account recovery company, and what they do is they work in the huge industry, but barely anybody's doing it. $58 billion, and you can read articles and watch videos of the Susie Orman show on this. This is real stuff, guys. And if you've never heard of unclaimed money before, well, that's now you're introduced to it for the first time. Okay, you can go do go take a look at all the opportunity over here. Now sign up through my link because I get credit for you doing that. I think that's a fair trade-off, right? I introduce you to something to make guaranteed money. Here's how you do it. Step number 1. Obviously go through the orientation, all that stuff. You are looking for accounts that are over $250. We get a finder's fee and databasing fee of, there's no selling. You don't need to contact any of these people with unclaimed money or anything like that. I'll show you the database in a second. I'm in Canada, so I'll go in Canada, but it doesn't matter where you are. I process a lot from Texas and California and Tennessee as well, because those are big databases. These are data banks that that the United States and Canadian government have regulated and forced financial institutions to give people their money back. See, I know you might be thinking, who would really forget about leaving money in there that more than $250 or even anything? Well, there's a lot of circumstances: deaths, moving, getting refunds, rebates. They thought they closed their account, mortgage overpayments, all kinds of stuff, dividends, PayPal's accounts in here. I find lots of PayPal accounts because PayPal accounts get closed and then they forget about it, and then they move or they change their bank, and PayPal can't deposit their money, so these government agencies force them to publicly make record of it. This company that we'll be working with that pays me over 200,000 so far, all we got to do is database and find the information. So I'm going to go to Canada. Okay, you can go wherever you want, but they all basically work the same way, all the databases. My computer's a little bit slow today. So I'm looking for not a specific person. I'm just looking for an individual name. So I'm going to punch in like Kemp. Last names. Punch in any name you want. Johnson, Smith, Adams, Bichette, punch my name in. I don't have any money there. I already checked. Obviously, you want to check for your own. So, and then you're scouring through the accounts and you're looking for things that are over $250. Not this, not this. And obviously, the majority will not be over $200, $250, but we get 10%. So here's one right here. I'm going to file a claim on this one. Okay. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not contacting this person. This person's it's in a trust account, obviously. It's in Guelph, Ontario, and it's been dormant since 1992. Okay, and so the money's just sitting there. This company that we're going to be working with, that I'm showing you right now, they're going to recover this money, work out a brokerage fee to this person, pay us 10%. So I'm gonna, on this one, I'm going to file a claim in this one. I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to get $43 and what, 60 cents, something like that, roughly. That one I can't. This one I can. Sometimes you will find big ones in here. Okay, I'm telling you, I've found ones over $10,000. I know that's hard to believe. Here's one, 1,100. So all I got to do is take this number and this account number right here. That's all I need. This account number right now. Okay, I'll show you. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it. I'll just take a quick glance to see if I can find a bigger one just by doing searches here. Doesn't look like it today, but as you can see, just on 4 pages so far, here's another $500 one, a $700 one, $350. So I could do, well, here's a $2,500 one. Oh, that one's better. Let's do that one. I like $250. How long have I been talking about this so far? 5-10 minutes? Okay, I'll show you how to, all you got to do next. So I found an account. Now I go back to this company that I just shared with you. I got to make a claim, because here's why. Because there's lots of people doing this. And you fill out this claim form, okay, and you put in the file numbers. Do 10 of them. Okay, don't waste your time. As you've seen how easy it was to find 10 of them with more than $250. Put that in there. Here's another thing I'm going to remind you of right now, where it says, if you were referred to UBA Tracers by someone, please provide their name. My name is Paul Birdsall. So you're watching this video, put my name in there. Okay, I appreciate you doing this. For me to share this with you, I think it's a really small request that I'm asking you to do. Put my name in there because I get points. You can too if you refer people. Make YouTube videos, whatever you want. This isn't a marketing thing, so I'm not teaching you how to do that right here. I can teach you, but this video, I'm just showing you how to make guaranteed money. Okay, so I put that account in there, and of course, just for this illustration purposes, I would fill out all 10. Okay, I'm not going to waste my time. So as you've seen, I found lots of them that I can do here, right? I'll just take another one, and all I'm doing is putting the account number in there. That's it. Okay, I'll find another one just to show you. None of those. Look how easy this is. But look how many counts there are. Oh, here we go. $19,964. I need this one because I need $2,000. That's almost $2,000 I'm going to get for doing this. Watch this. I head over here, copy and paste it again, and I would continue and finish all 10. Then I hit submit. Okay, that's all you got to do at this point. Watch the videos at their website because it's going to show you how to do it. Okay, make sure that you do that. Don't just listen to me ramble. Watch the actual tutorials and follow along. Then what will happen is this company is going to send me back approvals on those accounts that I just did there. So I've done step 1, I found the accounts. Step 2, I've made the claims. And this will guarantee that I get paid out on it, because if they come back approved, then I got to do the 3rd step. Okay, and the 3rd step is submitting the forms. What do I submit on the forms? All I'm doing is putting the rest of the information now. So you want to keep good records of this account, because when they get approved. So I'm going to be putting down the last known address, the bank, the type, all of these kind of things that you find on here will be put onto your processing form. Okay, no selling, no telling, no explaining to other people I'm doing it, but I'm trying to help you guys. Okay, then I submit the form, and then I'm going to get paid. So this step, the 4th step, obviously you just repeat step 1, 2, 3 as many times as you can. I like to do 30, 40 of the submission forms and get 10% on 30, 40 of them every single week. And that's how I earn more than $10,000 a month. Okay, some weeks I've earned more than $10,000 in a week. Sometimes I'm busy doing other things. I only earn 2,000, 3,000. Okay, this is easy to do, folks. Every person watching this can do this. Okay, then you go and get paid. You fill out. There's a form here. You only need to do it once, unless you want to change your payout preference. And you can get paid by PayPal, as you can see here, direct deposit, or a check mailed to you. Okay, they do mail you the first check. So the first check you're going to get, it's going to mail it to you. But if you set up direct deposit, it's going to, the next payment next Friday, because you get paid every Friday, is going to be by direct deposit. They're always the first check, and they do that, I believe. What I remember when I got my first check was to validate and verify that I can cash the check, so that they, you know, keep all the bad guys away and all that stuff that some people are using, identity theft and all that stuff. I'm sure they have to protect themselves. Okay, that's all you got to do. And you can make the kind of money that I'm making. It's really easy to do, folks, and you can do it too. Any person can do this. It's free to join. You just go over there. There's me again. And you can see that people are making significant amounts of money here, copying and pasting, databasing, and searching through unclaimed bank accounts. Okay, and that's all you're doing. These are public record. This is not made up or anything like that. I've been getting paid for months and months and months from this company, and you can too. And the only reason I'm sharing it with you, because it's real, because it's simple. The second part, I used to teach lots of internet marketing and how to recruit people and sell people and all that kind of stuff. I don't do that anymore as much. I have companies that do that for me. What I like to do now is discover new ways to make money online, and I just shared 2 really simple ways you could be making money online. And if you want to work with me at the processing company I just shared with you here, go to cashflowposse.com. The link will be in for both of the opportunities I shared with you today, both the people per hour opportunity you can do as a freelancer, or a processing agent with this company, just like I'm doing right now. I hope you join me at both of these places. I make money in both of these places, so I'm sharing them with you. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the thumbs up button. That will encourage me to make more videos and show you more ways to make more money from home. I'm Paul Bertzlaw, and I am loving doing what I do. Not only making the money, but sharing it with you. It's really cool to hear the success stories that some of the people that you saw on the leaderboard, those are people I referred to this thing, and they're making more money than me. One of them, Sandy Sove, I referred her to it, and she's making more money than me. So anybody can do this. People with less skill than me obviously can make more money than me, and so can you. So get started on either of these opportunities today. Subscribe to the channel, check off the bell. You'll get a notification when I post up a new video, which I plan to do more frequently as I do this and hear the feedback from you guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Watch my next video. Bye-bye.